Want to make money while you sleep? Imagine waking up to notifications that you've made sales, all from a digital product you created once. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to set up your very first digital product store, even if you've never sold anything online before. Let's turn your skills into real digital dollars. Welcome to Digital Dollar Finance, where we help you turn your ideas into real income through digital products, passive income streams, and smart automation. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a new strategy. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to set up your own digital product store. We'll cover the most popular platforms, Gumroad, Etsy, and Shopify, and I'll help you decide which one is best for you. Ready? Let's dive in. Before you set up a store, you need a product to sell. This could be an ebook, a printable planner, a digital art piece, an online course, music loops, or even Canva templates. The key? Solve a problem or make someone's life easier or more fun. Not sure what to create? Think about what skills you have. Are you good at design? Maybe try digital stickers or social media templates. Love writing? Create a mini guide or an ebook. The possibilities are endless. Now let's pick a platform. Here are 3 beginner-friendly options. First, Gumroad. Super easy to use, great for digital downloads, and you don't need to build a full website. Perfect for quick launches. Second, Etsy. Huge audience and built-in search traffic. If your product is more creative or artsy, like printables, planners, or templates, Etsy can help you get discovered faster. Third, Shopify. Best for those who want a branded store and more customization options. Shopify is more powerful but also requires more setup work and some monthly costs. Ask yourself, do I want something quick and simple? Go with Gumroad. Want a big built-in audience? Try Etsy. Want full control and brand power? Shopify is your friend. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to create your digital product files. Use Canva, Photoshop, or even Google Docs, depending on what you're making. Make sure your files are high quality, clearly labeled, and easy for customers to download and use. Double-check everything: typos, design quality, and download links. A great first impression leads to happy customers and better reviews. Next, let's set up your actual store. Here's a quick breakdown. On Gumroad, sign up, add your product, upload your files, write a catchy title and description, set your price, and you're good to go. On Etsy, create an account, set up your shop profile, add product images, super important for standing out, write SEO-friendly titles and descriptions, set your price, and configure your download files. On Shopify, pick a theme, customize your homepage and product pages, set up payment options, and add your products. It takes a bit longer, but gives you the most freedom. No matter which you choose, focus on making it easy to understand, visually appealing, and clear about what the buyer gets. Pricing is tricky, but don't overthink it. Start with a fair price that reflects the value and effort you put in. Research similar products to see what's typical. Most digital products fall between $5 and $50 when starting out. Set up your payment options carefully. Gumroad and Etsy handle most payment details for you. Shopify lets you integrate with Stripe, PayPal, and more. Your product photos or mock-ups are crucial. Use tools like Canva to create eye-catching images that show what's included or how the product looks in use. Your description should answer, what is it? Who is it for? How will it help? Be clear, friendly, and authentic. Remember, customers can't touch digital products, so your images and words have to do all the selling. Once your store is live, it's time to tell the world. Share on your social media, email list, YouTube channel, or TikTok. You can also collaborate with other creators or run small ads if you're comfortable. Pro tip: don't just say, buy my product. Show people how it solves a problem or improves their life. Create mini tutorials or behind-the-scenes videos to build trust and excitement. And that's it. You're ready to start earning from your own digital product store. Remember, your first product doesn't have to be perfect. Just get it out there, learn from the process, and improve as you go. I'd love to hear what product you're planning to create. Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching Digital Dollar Finance, where we help you turn your skills into real income. Until next time, keep creating, keep learning, and go make those digital dollars.